Welcome back, friends. We have seen sensors differ slightly from transducers, where if changes occurs, the changes do not necessarily involve energy conversion, and many transducers utilize a component called a photocell. Photocell is a device which changes its electrical resistance in proportional to the amount of light falling on it. Suppose a voltage is connected across this photocell. Then this voltage will change as the amount of light changes. So what we do, we connect a voltage across this photocell. Now the voltage of this connected photocell changes whenever there is amount of light changes. So the photocell can be caused to act like a transducer, although strictly speaking no energy conversion is taking place. So some transducers are there which converts one form of energy into another. Sensors are slightly different where sensors are measuring the physical variable value, but they do not convert energy into another form. And some transducers use a photocell. Photocell is a device which changes its electrical resistance proportional to the amount of light falling on it. So voltage, if we connect to the photocell, the amount of light changes, voltage changes, which we can record. So here the photocell can be caused to act like a transducer. But as a strictly speaking, no energy conversion is taking place. So we'll see some of these kind of devices, and one is limit switches. So there are sensors, like limit switches, proximity sensors, pressure sensors, gas sensors, temperature sensors, inductive proximity sensors. So we'll see all these things. We'll see basic things involved like transducers, sensors, and now we'll see one of it, that is switch, limit switches or micro switch. A limit switch has the same on or off characteristics. So switch will have either it will be having on or either it will be off kind of characteristics. Limit switch usually has a pressure sensitive mechanical arm. So the switch which has a on off characteristics has usually a pressure sensitive mechanical arm. When any object applies pressure on the mechanical arm, the switch circuit is energized. And using this mechanical arm, which is energized, we can make on or off the switch. The object which applies a pressure on mechanical arm might have a magnet attached, which causes a contact either to rise and close when the object passes over the arm. So, a limit switch has a pressure sensitive mechanical arm, and the object applies pressure on the mechanical arm, so the switch circuit is energized. Sometimes we can use the magnet object which passes over the arm, and due to that the pressure is applied on the arm and which causes either to contact or close the contact to rise or close, which will make switch on or off.